Today we will be repairing a Class 1 Division 1 Oxygen Analyzer by Southland Sensing. The model number is an OMD 625, and all of their analyzers are repairable, so every repair video would be very similar to this one. First we'll start by taking off the explosion-proof housing, which the main power board is located under here. And on the right hand side, the main circuit board is located in this boxed housing. So to start, what we are going to do is take a regular Phillips screwdriver and take off the 4 Phillips head screws on top that are holding the faceplate to the power board. Underneath the faceplate is where the power board is. There's a fuse connected to the power board and also 4 1/4-inch bolts that are holding the power board into the housing. Here's the fuse and here's each bolt. Take those off with a 1/4-inch socket and we'll put a new one in its place. On the back there's a 4-pin connector that clicks in. And that is the only connection that is on the back side at all. You click that in and just replace it, and then put your 4 bolts back in and you're good to go. So moving on, we will now replace the main circuit board that is held together with 4 1/4-inch nuts. You can remove them with the socket wrench like this. Along with these nuts, there are lots of pin connections and a few ribbon connections holding and connecting everything together. There's also a wired connection at the bottom that is removable with a 1/16 inch flathead screwdriver. Just remember the pattern that you have so that you can put it in correctly when you replace it with the new board. Here's what a new board looks like. Very simple, nothing on the back, all the connections are on the front here. Easily replaceable. You can also replace the display screen, which is connected via this connection right here, this pin connection, and this ribbon connection right there connects the main buttons on the front. So all those items are replaceable, and really that's all there is to it.